Hey guys, just want to make a quick tutorial on how to repost someone's post on Instagram. Open up the App Store and just go to the search bar and search Repost or Repost for Instagram. Either one works. And scroll down until you find Repost for Instagram #repost. I already have it downloaded, but if it's your first time downloading, you just need to give the app access to your Instagram account. Then you can open up Instagram and click the three dots on the picture or video and select copy link. The post will appear in the app, then you can go ahead and click repost. Then you can also select if you want to post it or add it to your story. Just to show you guys, I'll add this picture to my story. Also, this is my sister's YouTube channel, so please go like and subscribe to her videos. Her channel link will be in the description. Hope this video helps you guys out. If it does, please like and subscribe. It helps me out a lot. Thanks for watching.